Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Dropoff's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Dropoff's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in dropoff.cloud and make a search. The login page of Dropoff's account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up option. Now enter your name and email address. Create a password for your Dropoff's account and confirm your password by re-entering it, then tap on Register. This is how you can sign up for your Dropoff's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.